Communication is important to me. People often say I'm a talker, but it wasn't always that way. What they don't see is how hard I work to open up to people about having hemophilia. Hello, I'm Kevin, and I have the severe hemophilia A. I'm from Taiwan, and I work as a home service supervisor. I think the struggle with communication right now is still like sometimes patients need to express the deeper thing to the doctors, or otherwise doctors can't understand. Sometimes we have put the something we struggle inside our heart. Like if I do the prophylaxis very well, but I still go on the bleeding, I don't want it to make that go wrong. So I keep hiding that myself. Some patient will do that often. It's not only important for the medical team focus on the disease, but also to focus on the patients. When they take a disease, they'll focus on how could that recover, how could that get him better. But if they take it as the individual personal life, then it make everything different. There's some humanity in the medical team. I think we're doing pretty well, but they still need to improve many things in the future. The health professionals could do more individual focus on patients' life, and also they could do more study in new tech and new medications. I think they could get more true understanding that the patient is not just the patient. They also a person, a kid, a father. When we change the dialogue and the conversation like this, everyone's getting better in futures because we are all in the harmony.